Welcome to class. Hopefully you've been able to take out your naming schemata in your homework. Make sure you have your naming schemata open to this side that says use this side to find the name. We're going to find the names of formulas today. You've already become very good at finding the formula given a name. We're just going to go in reverse. Some of you have already done this, and if you have and you've done it correctly, please help those around you that are not quite as far advanced as you are currently. Okay, so have your naming schemata out. Make sure you're on this side. We use this side to find the name. And then also make sure that you have your homework out. Now, I don't have the most current version of the lab book here at my house, but I'm hoping this is the same as your 1 through 10 or 1 through 11. If not, these are in there, I'm sure. Just find where they are. And then also, we just really need to look at how to do these, not necessarily the answer to each one. You need to figure out how. Okay, so let's just work through these first ones. Move this out of the way. It says the first one we have to name is CaO. So a calcium and an oxygen. This is going to shrink down. So we just look at our naming schemata. We just start right here. Does CaO contain more than one type of atom? Alright. If it was one type of atom, it would be just like Ca, and we would be done, and we would name the element. But there are more than one type of atoms. That's not working very well. So that's a yes. Alright, so we would move down in your periodic table. Does the compound have metallic and non-metallic atoms? Remember, it was CaO. You should know by now that calcium is a metal, oxygen is a non-metal. Next, so we would go down. Are there more than two types or kinds of atoms? In this problem, we only have calcium and oxygen, so the answer is no, there are not more than one type. Alright, now, is the first atom, so is calcium, a member of family 1 or 2, aluminum, zinc, silver, or cadmium? So make sure you have your periodic table handy. You will notice that calcium is in family 2. Alright, so that is a yes. We move straight down here. And it says name the first atom as an element. So let's do that. I'm really bogging my computer down here. First one is an element, so calcium. And then it says, and the second one ending in "ide", so calcium oxide. That would be the final answer. Okay? Very simple. This one would be similar. You would enter the same box there. The rest of them take you other places, and let's make sure we can figure out how to do those. Okay, so the first one, calcium oxide, not too difficult.